Welcome back, everyone. I'm meteorologist Peter Sherwood with the latest update coming in from the National Hurricane Center. We now have Tropical Storm Debby out there with the latest advisory at 5 o'clock with maximum sustained winds at 40 miles per hour moving to the northwest at 15 miles per hour. You can see it is now onshore. Moving away from Cuba there and continuing to push towards the northwest. And we are seeing some convection, the thunderstorm activity around the center of circulation with it picking up, a good indication that it is strengthening. We have the hurricane hunters flying into the storm, and the latest now, it is a tropical storm forecast to develop into a Category 1 hurricane. You can see the latest update from the National Hurricane Center with wind speeds upwards of 45 miles per hour across the Big Bend area of Florida by Monday. As we zoom in a little bit closer, getting some of the impacts across the Florida Keys, across Key West, where we do have a tropical storm watch and warning in effect for Key West. We are seeing there wind speeds gusting upwards of 40 miles per hour, and it is going to continue to strengthen as we head throughout the night over some very warm sea surface temperatures. You can see this is the area where we're expecting it to make landfall as we head throughout Monday, and then it's going to move over the Carolinas and Georgia, where we expect it to just sit and dump a lot of rain. We are going to continue to monitor this because it is bringing rain into our area, those outer bands feeding in across South Florida, and we're seeing a lot of lightning and thunder with some of those showers and thunderstorms, especially for areas like Cutler Bay down into Kendall. And as we check out some of the areas like Turkey Point, where we got wind speeds around 40 miles per hour, there's some light showers out there now. The heaviest of the rainfall across areas like Cutler Bay, extending all the way into Kendall Lakes and Kendall. It is pouring in this area, and as we check out the rainfall rates, we're getting over an inch of rainfall in some spots from this one band that is rolling through. We check out another spot out there in Doral and Medley, where we're seeing some pockets of heavy rainfall as well. As we take a live look at Key West, where it's 83 degrees, we're getting some showers in some spots and winds gusting as well. You can see that wind coming in from the southeast at 25 miles per hour and gusting around 30 miles per hour for Key West. We're seeing a wind gust of 30 miles per hour for Miami right now. We're going to get some of the heavy rainfall. We have this flood watch in effect through Sunday, and keep in mind we are not in the forecast cone, but we're still going to get some of those impacts from what is now Tropical Storm Debby. Wind speeds will be gusty, and the rainfall rates upwards of 2 to 4 inches of rainfall will be possible. So do plan for those bands to roll in throughout the rest of the evening going into tonight. I think once we head into tomorrow, we are going to see this tropical storm continue to pull away from us in South Florida. Our rain chances will be a little bit lower as we head into Sunday. We'll still plan for some of those bands to move onshore and provide a good dosing at times. We'll have a next update at 6 o'clock at the top of Local 10 News at 6.